Welcome to 9717 Rambling Ridge Court in the exclusive South Run community of Fairfax Station. With over $200,000 of upgrades, you're going to want to see this home. Inside the Edgewood model by Barry Built Homes, you're going to notice how spacious it is, actually over 4,400 square feet on all three fully finished levels. But I want to show you the changes that happened. In the original Edgewood, this actually was a step down. That's right, they got rid of it to show the nice two-story great room, which naturally flows through. Well, if you've ever been in the model, I want to show you a couple things that the owner did as far as a renovation goes. This completely opened up this wall. And originally this kitchen actually had an island that came right here, and the kitchen wall was here. So that's how small and finite for such an executive home. It was surprising that the kitchen was so small. So here's what's fun. Not only did they remove that and open it up, but this model actually has a strange room here where they went for the entire width of the home for this luxury kitchen. That's right, every upgrade you could imagine. And we're gonna spend the time to take you through all the different upgrades that make this kitchen so unique. But I wanted to show you the space and the size and what's different, especially by opening up this wall. So it truly is an open concept for a home that was built in the 80s. Let's go. Waypoint cabinetry, that's right, upper end cabinetry, as well as having pull-out drawers and soft close. Take a look at this island, over 9-foot island that is perfect for entertaining and hosting. And if you're gonna do that, you gotta have not just 1, 2, but 3 functioning ovens, as well as a convection oven to really entertain at the highest level. This is truly a chef's dream. You can see the upper end refrigerator. These were all Cafe GE appliances that were installed. They chose this wonderful backsplash to accent the white quartz countertops. Of course, the embedded sink. And I want to show you this. This is a smart faucet which produces alkaline water. So here's what you can see. Every detail was a box that's checked to make certain that this is not only the ideal, but the dream kitchen.
The owner spared no expense bringing the West Coast to the East Coast with this smooth transition of the California Accordion doors from your eating area into your screened-in porch. Off of your screened-in porch is this fabulous deck that actually has steps that walk down to over half an acre of absolute fun. Something that's hard to find in South Run is a flat backyard. This backyard goes on and on. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please reach out to the Nellis Group for your own private tour.